Yes, yes. This is the 600 wide model, 600 millimeters wide. This is the power switch. This is jog oil feed. One press, one spray. Press again, it sprays again. This controls the speed. Turn it right to slow down or left to speed up. It is the speed control. And here you select manual or automatic. Then, if you want timed oiling, set the timed spray here. For signal-controlled oiling, send a signal and it sprays once. Usually, one signal every 5 sheets. Yes, 5 times. Now we can test it. Switch it to automatic mode. Here's the sensor. Detection starts the machine. This activates the front limit switch. There is another limit switch at the rear. When this side detects the sheet, it returns. That completes one operating cycle. That is basically how it works. These 4 controls adjust for the material thickness. Loosen more for thicker material. For thinner material, tighten down. Up to about 6 millimeters. Yes, this is where you fill the oil. Use a thinner, lower viscosity oil if possible. This is the fill point. Then the mixer. This regulator adjusts the air pressure and oil delivery rate. Yes, it lets the oil spray with more force. And this fitting connects the air hose. Yes, the air hose connects here. This is the oil mixer. After the oil sits for a while, sediment may form. Turn this on and it stirs the oil, and then it will, well. And then there is the power supply. As for the power supply,